Yes, I know people who speak Gaelic.
I don't know anybody who speaks Gaelic.
Yeah, I know lots of people who speak Gaelic. Loads of people from school, all from the islands originally. No.
I know someone that speaks Gaelic. You do?
Yes! I speak Gaelic!
No.
No, not anyone I know now. I used to kind of hang about with Gaelic speakers when I was younger.
No.
I don't know anybody that speaks Gaelic.
Yeah, I know one guy.
I know one girl who's studying it.
No, I don't. I don't either.
I don't speak Gaelic and I don't know anyone else that speaks Gaelic.
Not currently, but when I was younger, one of my friends did learn how to speak Gaelic.
No, we don't. No.
I don't think I know anyone. I know someone with a Gaelic name, but I don't.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, they do.
Do you speak any Gaelic?
No, but
No.
I know some people that do.
I speak a little.
Yeah, I've got a guy in my work who's come down for the Isle of Skye.
Yeah, my friend's dad speaks Gaelic. He's a native Gaelic speaker, so yeah.
Yes, I can speak a little Gaelic.
I don't know anybody specifically who speaks Gaelic, but I know I've been to the Western Isles and stuff, so up there they speak a lot of Gaelic, and in the Highlands of Scotland.
No, I don't.
I know a guy called Tony McDonald who teaches me, or he taught me, how to play the bagpipes, and he can speak Gaelic.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I speak Gaelic. Yeah.
What's a Gaelic?
It's the language of Scottish people, yeah.
Do you know anyone you know speak Gaelic?
You answer no.
I don't know.
Look at me.
Do you speak Gaelic?
No.
Oh, well, that's what I'm saying. Do you or
No,
anyone
but
you
what
know?
about me answering it, right?
Right,
Do I know
sorry.
anyone that speaks Gaelic?
Right.
Yes. The young lady that just let us in here, that's her first language.
That's right. She had to learn English.
Yeah, I do. A guy I went to school with.
I do not know anyone that speaks Gaelic.
I know one person,
And I live in the Highlands, great.
they lived in Nairn and they learned it.
Nairn.
Nairn.
No. No?
No.
Yes. I do.
Yeah, me and all my friends speak Gaelic. I'm up at Sam Rostig in Skye just now studying Gaelic, so quite a few of my friends study it.
No. Oh, do you not speak Gaelic?
No.
No, but my friend's brother, my sister goes to a Gaelic school, so she can speak Gaelic.
My grandparents speak it, and I know like a phrase.
Yes.
Do you?
Aye. Kyle speaks Gaelic, yeah.
So yes then.
No. No. I don't know anyone that speaks Gaelic.
Yeah, I know two hot chicks that speak Gaelic. They're pretty cool.
No. Oh, no.
Yes, my dad does. Sorta. He's got Gaelic tattoos on his arm.
Does he? No one knows Gaelic.
Yes, I know a few people that speak Gaelic.
Yes, all of my family speak Gaelic.
Yeah, some of my family speak Gaelic. They're originally from the Western Isles. I speak a few odd words.
No.
No one I know speaks Gaelic.
No.
My nephew speaks Gaelic.
I don't know anyone.
Yes,
yes. I know someone who speaks Gaelic. Someone in my mum's work's daughters go to the Gaelic school.
I do.
Do?
I do know people who speak Gaelic.
No.
Yes, well, I know someone from Stornoway and she speaks Gaelic.
Yes.
Yes.
William Wallace. Did he?
I do not know.
One of my pals is from Lewis.
Yes, I do. I've got friends who are from Barra.
Yes, me too.
Yes. Yes.
No.
No.
No. I don't. I know a couple of people who do, however, who lived with me back in the toon.
Yes, the girl who was in before.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes, I speak Gaelic.
Yeah.
I speak Gaelic.
A wee bit.
No. No.
No one.